I've been able to use this work to educate a lot of our folks, a lot of people in the community on how do we keep our stories? How do we have
Yeah.
our stories? And we know them from oral traditions,
Mhm.
but how do we mix it with the technology that we have to
Right.
garner it and keep it for a long time? I've been honored to kind of work with different librarians, different scholars, and the way we look at archives. This June, I'll be a keynote with librarians in the university setting on different ways that we've come into archive and understanding, particularly through a performance lens and how do we create that. And so it's been an honor to take not only the archive and build it, but to also perform it. So once I take these different stories, I create performances with
Okay.
different multidisciplinary artists as well. So it becomes an archive that is material to some extent with the film, but then it's also live. So it's ephemeral.